Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this Whirlpool set right here. This is going to be a Whirlpool top load set. Really good for like hand washing items, pre-treating any stains, things like that. There's some really cool features on this. And one of the first things that I noticed when I was taking a look at this is it does have load and go. I believe this is maybe one of the very few top loaders that does have load and go. And what that basically means is that you can fill up to 1 liter of detergent into this unit and it's going to auto dispense it for you. One of the main issues with laundry is that it smells due to overuse of detergent. So this will do that for you. One of the really cool feature is it does have this active water jet right here. If I push this button, it's going to dispense water out there for any kind of pre-treating of any stains. It also does come with this pre-treat brush. So what it'll do is it'll fill up any kind of soap or any liquid in here. Push this button down and it'll run out the soap. And I can rub out any stains or any marks on the clothes. Use the active water jet and it's going to do that for me and get rid of any of those tough and stains. The size of this is going to be 4.8 cubic feet. It is a soft close, not the best, but it will do it. Not as loud as, you know, those regular ones that slam shut. It just kind of shakes you to your core. Moving on to the dryer here. One really cool thing about this is it does have the laundry chute door, so it'll open down instead of open this way, so that when I'm unloading my stuff from the washing machine, bending down, I can put it right onto there and move it in, versus if it opens sideways, I'm going in, going down, stepping up, going down, and kind of repeating that, and hurts the legs a little bit. We have this at a great price right now at $809.88. Some of the cool features about it is it does have the remote enable, so this is all Wi-Fi capability, so it'll give you smart diagnostics, it'll push notifications, tell you when you need to clean out the lint trap, things like that. Really, really cool stuff. That's all I have for this, you guys, but definitely go check this out on our website. This is going to be a really, really great set, like I said, for anybody that is really intentional about keeping their clothes clean, really likes the delicate cycles. This is going to be a really good unit that you guys want to check out. Don't forget to look at our website, appliancefactory.com. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.